Stereo receivers remain a cornerstone of flexible, high-quality home audio, combining amplification, source switching, and often basic room correction or digital features in a single chassis. For multimedia setups, hobbyists, and space-conscious listeners, choosing the right 2-channel or multi-channel receiver involves balancing power, inputs, outputs, and feature sets against price and intended use case.
List number 1. Sony STRDH190 2-channel home stereo receiver with phono inputs. The STRDH190 is a compact, budget-friendly 2-channel receiver designed around straightforward analog amplification with optional Bluetooth streaming and a phono input for turntables. It delivers 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms and supports AB speaker switching to drive 2 sets of speakers or to pair a main and a secondary zone, which adds flexibility in a living room or study. Notable features include a dedicated phono input for vinyl enthusiasts, multiple analog inputs, 4 stereo RCA, plus the 2.5mm auxiliary, and built-in Bluetooth for wireless playback. The low-profile enclosure and a robust power transformer hint at reliability for long-term use in small to mid-size rooms. In practice, the STRDH190 excels at delivering clean musical sound with adequate headroom for casual listening and background parties. The absence of built-in Wi-Fi or advanced DSP means this model shines in simplicity and reliability rather than feature richness. With 100W by 2 into 8 ohms, the amplifier maintains solid dynamics on rock, pop, and acoustic material, while the phono stage provides a satisfying hookup for vinyl playbacks. The user experience is straightforward, though the lack of a modern app ecosystem makes precision setup and streaming customization more manual. It remains a strong pick for traditional, source-forward listening with vinyl integration.
List number 2. Yamaha RS202BL stereo receiver. The Yamaha RS202BL is a versatile 2-channel receiver emphasizing clean build quality and straightforward Bluetooth streaming. It supports 2 systems through a speaker selector and dual speaker terminals, which is beneficial for multi-room or zone setups. The brushed aluminum aesthetic and compact footprint align with modern living spaces, and it includes auto power standby to help conserve energy when not in use. While pricing is not listed here, Yamaha positions this model as an affordable yet capable option for users seeking dependable amplification with easy Bluetooth integration. Performance-wise, the RS202BL benefits from Yamaha's refined circuit design and a broad frequency response, delivering a balanced musical presentation suitable for a wide range of genres. Its 2-channel focus means it excels at stereo listening with accurate imaging and a solid stereo stage. The lack of explicit power output in the provided data limits a precise headroom evaluation, but the combination of Bluetooth, 2-system speaker capability, and auto standby makes it attractive for bedrooms, living rooms, or compact spaces where simple, reliable audio is valued.
List number 3. Yamaha RXV385 5.1-channel 4K Ultra HD AV receiver with Bluetooth. The RXV385 expands the capabilities to 5.1-channel surround sound with HDMI 4-in 1-out, 4K UHD compatibility, and HDR support, including Dolby Vision. It features YPOW auto calibration to optimize speaker setup and built-in Bluetooth for wireless streaming. This model targets home theater enthusiasts who want a simple path to immersive audio without a complex setup. The 5.1 configuration, combined with modern video pass-through, makes it a strong candidate for users looking to pair legacy 2-channel sources with a modern HDMI-enabled display. In practice, the RXV385 delivers engaging surround performance with reasonable room calibration ease, though it lacks the sometimes more advanced calibration suites of higher-end models. The inclusion of 4 HDMI inputs supports modest home theater integration, and the compatibility with HDR formats ensures video quality aligns with contemporary displays. If you value a straightforward automatic setup and a robust feature set for a mid-range budget, the RXV385 offers a compelling balance of audio fidelity and video compatibility for movies and streaming content. List number 4.
Sony STRDH590 5.2-channel surround sound home theater receiver, 4K HDR AV receiver with Bluetooth. The STRDH590 is a mid-range 5.2-channel AV receiver designed for robust home theater setups with 4K HDR pass-through, Bluetooth connectivity, and S-Force Pro front surround virtualization for a more expansive soundstage from a 2-speaker footprint. It includes 4 HDMI inputs and a single HDMI output, plus digital audio outputs, coaxial and optical, to connect a variety of devices. The 5.2 configuration provides 2 subwoofer outputs and improved bass extension relative to pure 5.1 systems, making it adaptable for movies and gaming in spaces where room size justifies modest AVR power. In practice, the STRDH590 delivers a cinematic experience with dynamic bass handling and solid vocal clarity. S-Force Pro virtualization can enhance 2-speaker setups, though it can't fully replace dedicated surround channels. With 725W total system power across 5.2 channels and THD within typical consumer AVR ranges, it remains a practical option for users upgrading from a basic stereo or living with a modest TV setup. The manual indicates careful setup guidance is available, and the included 4K pass-through.
List number 5. AK45 Pro amplifier home audio stereo receivers with Bluetooth 5.0. The AK45 Pro is a compact, budget-focused stereo amplifier designed for small spaces, karaoke-style use, or simple audio playback with Bluetooth 5.0 streaming. It delivers up to 400W peak power, 50W x 2 RMS, and includes RCA inputs, USB SD card support, and 2 mic inputs for karaoke scenarios. Its tiny footprint makes it a versatile companion for bookshelf speakers or project setups where a traditional AV receiver would be overkill. The feature set emphasizes practical control, bass and treble volume, and flexible input options, which is ideal for casual listening and party environments. In use, the AK45 Pro excels at party-friendly scenarios and small rooms where you need a simple, quick-to-set-up amplifier with mic inputs for karaoke or announcements. The inclusion of SD and USB playback and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures broad compatibility with modern devices, while the compact chassis design supports discrete placement. However, as a 2.0 channel amplifier, it lacks true multi-channel surround, tone calibration beyond basic bass and treble, and high-fidelity room correction. Its price-to-performance ratio is compelling for its intended niche, but it should not be conflated with a feature-rich home theater receiver.